okay? Do not kite on the west bend there. Kite on the north side there, okay?
What the fuck?
Here we go.
OC.
Okay, time to record 5 FPS. Let's go.
Oo nga, no?
Supernova.
Ang
Yeah,
narinig ko yung kanta.
Yan.
Come back north.
Ano kasi ni Little po eh. Recruitment video kasi ni Little po eh.
Iba naman kanta yun.
Come southwest. Ready, we're gonna strike first, okay? Ready your defensives. Hold now. Clear comms. Be careful on the dungeon, okay? You might get zoned. Hold on.
So our enemy is Joker, right?
Yeah. Southeast on the gate. Wait, ready. Southeast on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Come back. It's fine. Cycle cooldowns. Stay with me. Yo, depth tanks pull out. Gray. Depth tanks pull out. Stay with me. Bomb squad tayo.
You don't need to, hold them.
Bomb squad with 20 people. Let's go.
Turn of speech bubbles. Fuck.
Ready your defensives, okay?
Ano yun?
Southeast on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Give me damage. Come back. Defense. Northeast range bomb squad, okay? Be careful. My tanks.
Northeast?
Northeast siya. Ready over this wall, okay? You see the wall here, southeast?
Copy.
Pa ako Yurius.
Wait. Yo, angle here on the front.
Ready?
Beam
Southeast over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Come back. Dali. Come.
Puta nga ng 5 FPS.
Tell me cooldowns.
15.
Life is ready.
Yo, stay there. We're gonna catch the bomb squad south. Wait now.
May nagpiping sa likod na.
Yeah. Southeast over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Oh,
Rotating
man.
na mob. Rotating
Come back. Our melees can't hit. Come northeast here.
Oh no.
Give me occults, please. Give me occults. Na?
Stronghold.
Huh? Oh. Yo, north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On these guys here.
Good job.
Kill. Give me enough. Kill, guys.
Kill that tank ko.
Come south now. Stop chasing. Come south. Zeppelin, come south. Come south here. Tell me cooldowns. Yo, walk with me. Southwest on the gate. Wait. Southwest on the gate. Wait. Everybody come. Southwest on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Give me damage. More. Come back. Come northwest here. Come northwest here. Come west here. Tell me cooldowns.
Dropping CCTV on our northeast.
5 seconds.
Yeah. Ready, stay here. South, inside the gate.
Ready.
South inside the gate. Night helmet, south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Smash this. Come back. Ready defense. Good job. Stay with me here. Cooldowns. Tell me cooldown, boys.
5 seconds. 6 seconds.
5 seconds.
Ready.
Southeast deep, right? Southeast deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast deep now. Now, here. Nice one, boys.
Good
Come
job.
north. Good job. Come north. Come northeast. Come northeast. 10 me cooldowns. Be careful my backline. Give me tanks on the backline, please. Alright. Wait.
BS na wing. It's on
Come
me.
back west.
3. Ready.
Okay, come back. Southwest.
They have Brim BS Brim
Yeah,
BS.
come back northeast. Come
South,
back. Oh, yeah, come southwest. Yo, southeast deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast deep. It's fine. Come back. Heal your front. Don't be afraid, boys. Heal your front. Heal us on the front lines, please. Come north. Left tanks, come. Left tanks, come. Good job.
2 BS on the southwest.
Copy. Come north here. Uy, naligaw to si Rosas. Come north. Tell me cool down, boys.
Ready.
Wait. Saan southeast, Yami? Pakiping, ha?
Southwest.
Wait. So, hold here on the gate. Ready, southwest, on the center in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the center. Nice. Of course, you love me, right? Come northeast.
Weakest mo.
Copy. Come.
Ah, fuck.
Jacket, please. Jacket.
Saya nyo dun Gusto kong mag-DPS Nakamalunggay lang ako.
Dito pala.
Yo, be careful over this wall, okay? Be careful. Yo, come back north. Ready. Wait.
Ready.
Yo. Come west, Yo, no. Stay here, boys. Stay here. Here. Max range. Good job. Nice. Yo, ready. Wait. Southeast. On the southeast gate, okay? Wait. Come back. Wait, listen. Wait. Yo, southeast deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast deep. This is the BS. Good job. Come back north, boys. Come back up. Come back north. Nice.
Can we rename our guild to Chingus?
Yeah. Chill lang tayo. Chill lang. Play efficiently. Yo, you don't need to go deep. Yo. Asip, where are you going? Come south here. Yo, hug this wall here. Be careful. Right. Tell me cooldowns.
Ready.
Yo, we're gonna go inside, alright? Wait.
Ready.
Wait. Oh my god. Lo. Nagsisiro FPS ako. Wait lang. Come out.
Ano mo dit?
Ready. Southwest. Look southwest. Southwest, okay? No, southeast. Actually, southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fuck, I got stopped. Defense.
The fuck? You
It's
like
fine. It's fine. You're good. Heals on the center. Heals on me. How many did I lose? 2 DPS?
Alright.
Good deep.
Fuck, we headbutt. Sorry guys.
you leg you use.
Yeah, I was lagging.
Both of you gay.
Come north. Out. Come out north. Defense. Yo, south. Walk in. South in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Wipe this, guys. Drop your east. Never mind. Come back north. Come back north. So those who there, come back, please. Tell me your cooldown.
13.
10.
Ready.
3 died.
Hilalay.
5 seconds.
Yeah.
Ready.
Stay here. Don't stay on the front. Yo, southwest shallow. Southeast, okay? Southeast in 5,
Oh, fuck.
4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now.
You got stopped.
Come back.
Bastion.
Ready pass. Ready your pass. Alright. Hold now.
Look,
Yo,
defense.
defense. Nice heals.
Oh shit.
Come northwest here.
Little food ay.
Patay sila.
Defense bro, namatay.
Ayaw ko mag-touch
What?
Tell me cool down. Southeast, over the, on the walls, okay?
Ready, ready.
Yo, L-Jax, ha?
Eljax died.
Wow.
Na down.
Ano down?
Ano doon?
Come northeast, come northeast.
Kailangan reawaken.
Kiss on the base, kiss on the base, kiss on the base, kiss on the base. Yo, come back, east. Come back, east.
I need to reawaken.
Ganker
Namatay
North.
ako, Ariel. Lolo, namatay ako?
Ah, yun.
Ganker
Anyway,
North, boys. World Star.
Wait. Southwest. Wait, come back north.
Ay, may nag-roll up one sa east side mo.
Oh.
Chat
Come back northwest.
Nandito na yung BS yung Brim, ah. Nandito na yung Brim.
Oh.
Sa atin.
Come west here. South shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Heals up.
Oh,
Ano yung gloves sa east? Come east.
One shot.
Follow me. Namatay si Gray.
Matay si Gray.
Interiors.
10 seconds, Euros.
Yo, todo sa there. Regan, come back.
Ready?
Southeast over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Give me damage here.
Wow.
Nice.
Come
Boom.
north.
Kaboom.
Tinira nila yung ano.
Si TB yung nasa southeast, ah.
Jackson
Hold
cooldown ha, 7 seconds.
Okay. Chill.
Sun is
Chill.
15.
Wait, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Jacket's here.
Zap, come back if you're getting ganked.
Ready?
Ready, south over the wall again. South over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South over the wall now,
Oh, good. Di ka nag-transform.
Yeah, there you go.
Come back. Yo, come northwest. Yo, hold my east. Left hand, hold my east. Nice. Come back,
Oh my
boys.
god, Zap's getting ganked in
20
UC.
seconds.
5 seconds, Jacket.
15.
Jacket's up.
Yo, stay back, boys. Stay back.
Lagyan mo na kita ng dahon.
Yeah.
Don't go.
Pushing yung ano,
Ready,
pushing
ready,
yung
ready.
Minerva.
Yeah,
Southwest.
South shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South shallow now. Come back. DPS.
Actually, never mind, there's no X.
Oh my god.
God.
Ubos yung DPS ko. Yo,
God
come back. Guys, pop your pot. Fuck. Sorry, it's my bad. Yo, can you kill this guy? Kill this guy.
The
We
fuck?
go together, they're initiators, Zap.
CCTV North.
CCTV
Yeah,
North.
come back.
7.3 bomber, 7 equip bomber.
Yeah. Where?
North side, CCTV.
Ready,
Okay.
ready.
They OC'd ha, they're OC'd.
Yeah. Come northwest there. Ready on the west side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Give me damage here. Kill this guys.
Nice. We're out. They're dead.
Kill this
We're
guys.
holding in UC here, your riggers. Others
Yeah.
gankers.
Come east now. Come east. Stop chasing. Come east.
20 seconds.
Don't loot. Come east.
Go by Jack.
Hey, come southwest. Actually, come southwest. Tell me cooldowns.
Ready.
Pabigay sa akin. Thank you.
Come east. Yo, kill the mobs. Here.
Ready.
Okay.
Backline dito sa west side mo. Sa may southwest.
Go.
Backline.
Come back north. Stay here. You see this? Stay here. Yo,
Yeah.
Yami.
Protect yung CCTV sa...
CCTV nasa north ko,
Dismounted sila.
Come here. Ready, southeast shallow. Southeast shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow now. Inside us. Come back. Please come back. I fucked up. Come. Tell me cooldowns, boys.
17.
Kill Yami, please.
Tapos yan.
Red
Come
side.
Seconds.
The mob.
Ready.
Occult ready.
Yeah.
Demon 10 seconds.
You ready?
Nag-push out sa west side Nag-push out sa
Yeah.
west.
Southwest shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South to shallow now. Fuck, come back.
Silence ka.
Cancel. Don't drop your east. Don't drop your east. Come back. Nice shot, keeper. Come east. Sino tong DPS? Jet, wag ka na mag... Yeah. I'm here. Wag mo na scout. Tell me cooldown,
All
boys. Tell me
ready.
cooldown.
Nakatingin na sa atin yung 100 arcane.
Yeah. South shallow. Wait now.
Ready.
South shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Come back. Fuck. Come northeast here.
Ready to zone Jaegers mo.
Yeah.
Parang
Tell me cooldowns,
naiiwan
boys.
pa.
Tell me cooldowns.
2, 1,
Ready, ready.
ready.
Alright, come east here. East. Yo, give me, pop your pots, ha? You have pots? Right.
Yes.
Push out, push out.
Wait.
Yung healer mo, wala. CD yung pats ko.
Yo, over the wall. Yo,
Saan yung
come back west.
Dismounted southeast, ah.
Yeah.
Purple.
Ready.
Smoke.
Ready.
Don't go here, don't go here, no? Don't go
Yeah.
here.
Come northeast.
Sige.
Stay there. Stay outside, okay? Ready. Southwest center in 5.
Can we go
4,
around?
3.
Don't. Blocking.
Southwest now. Shallow. Come back. Okay. Thank you, Yami.
We're gonna rotate.
No. Don't rotate. Come east. Everybody, walk east. Don't rotate. Walk to me. Walk straight to me. Come east.
Zappin's being
Come east. Yo, heels on top.
Engage.
Ready, east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. Come back, boys. Come back. Listen to me. Come back. Stop chasing them. Tell me cooldowns.
Jackets on,
Ready,
here.
Ready.
Tell me cooldowns.
Ready, like...
Occult ready.
You ready? Southeast gate. Ready defense. Southeast gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Come back. Ready defense. Ready to your defense. Yo, ready defense. Oh my God, wag mag-brim, please. Defense. Full defense. Full defense.
cleanse you.
Heals. Ay!
Wala na ako.
Tik na tayo doon. God damn.
Tapa.
God
Ba't
damn.
yung-
Buti nakita.
Pats.
Tik na yan.
Wala pa akong pats dun.
Oh, this D-Tanks.
Ready.
D-Tanks flying around.
Ready, Elias. Ready.
Come northwest here. You guys come northwest here.
You have full DPS now, ah.
Come back east. Yami, dito na naman, oh.
CCTV West.
Andyan na naman?
Ready. Yeah. Nasa west. Come to me, boys. Ready, southeast. South wall. South gate in 5, 4, 3, 1. On the south gate now. Come back. Cooldowns here. Come northeast.
Dropping jacket. On the crown.
I'll go east gate. Defensive tanks, cover my east, please.
CCTV or north?
Yeah. Come
Yeah,
back.
CCTV na.
Come back.
Naglalakad.
Tell me cooldowns.
Ready,
South,
ready.
yo.
Occult ready.
South shallow. On the tanks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us. Nice guys. Come north. Good job.
Go to the inuli. One shot eh.
Ang ina, nahuli siya.
Yo, kill this guy. In front of us. Don't drop your E. Good job.
Ready,
Tell me
ready.
cooldowns.
Ready.
Tell me cooldowns.
Ready.
Ready, occult.
5 seconds.
Occult ready.
Yo, southwest, center, southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center now.
Pushing
Come back.
southeast.
Yo,
Pushing
ready, defense southeast. Nice, boys.
Dibit!
Oh, shots! Oh my God!
Oh no, nahuli pa kayo dun.
Wala kayong patch doon?
Wala na, ubos na.
Hold on. Orion died again twice. Oh my God. Tell me cooldowns.
Ready.
Looking.
Occult ready.
Yeah. Come north.
Pushing out.
Argo, wag ka na mag-check doon. Come north.
They're pushing you now. Engaging.
Yung southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Center.
Emilia, come to me.
Kill the kills, kill. Ah. Come back northwest, 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 come back
Oh,
northwest.
Go inside.
Jackets here, jackets here.
Take this pushing them.
Yeah, walk southeast again, walk southeast again.
Occult ready.
Walk southeast again.
Ready, ready, ready.
Ready. Ready, south. Walk southeast.
Potion
here, walk
dito.
Southwest
Pwede ka
inside. Yeah, southwest inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us.
Pass na ako sa Rager, what is?
Come north. Ano?
Pass ako sa Rager ngayon.
Come west. Wala ka na?
Doon na yung jacket
Yes,
ha.
no?
You're getting my cooldowns back. Jackets here now.
Come. Demi, makakabalik ka ba?
Makakabalik ako. I'm in Ravindo, so medyo...
Yo, look southwest. Look on the southwest gate. Southwest gate in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Again,
1.
yung chat.
Southwest gate. Give me damage.
Nice, one kill.
Come back.
Riff.
Come back. Come east here. Yo. Come back.
May una
Tell me cooldowns. Ready defense, ha?
Side.
Come in. Ready, southwest. Look southwest, boys. Southwest. Southwest deep. Hold now. Southwest deep. Southwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep. Give me damage. Deep.
Nice. Good delete.
Come back.
Cleansing you.
Ready, defense center. Nice defense, boys. Nice defense. Go northeast now. Everybody go northeast.
Oh, fuck.
Go northeast. You're fine. You're good. Go north. Go northwest now. Go northwest.
Ready.
Come out. Don't be afraid. Come out. Gray. Heals on Gray, please. Heals on Gray.
I'm gonna
Ready,
pop
Ready.
Wait.
Walang blight ah.
Uy, andito si Draken. Join my party. Come east, boys. Come east, boys. Come east. Ready, southwest deep. Ready. Wait. Come back north. Southwest deep. Yo, give me pots, okay? Southwest deep in 5, 4 pots, 3, 2, 1. Southwest deep. Oh my God. Come back. Ready defense. Ready your clericals.
Cleanse you.
Yeah, clericals.
Oh,
Please.
fuck!
Come north.
We're
Nice.
fucking so close.
Come north. Nice.
I'm alive.
You're fine.
So fucking close.
Draken, sumali ka nga sa different. Yo, help process there.
Don't have my pots there. The
Yo,
fuck?
come north, please. Help process.
Si Rosas.
Guys, stand here first.
Yan na, Drake.
Careful.
Yeah, come north, guys. Come north. Stop picking.
Southwest yung brim, ah.
Okay. Over the wall ba, Yami?
Hindi. Nandun din sa may, nila. Kasama sa kanila.
Okay. Yo, come. Yo, stay north. Stay on the north. Kill this guy. Can you kill this? Nice.
Dito din yung riff
Yo,
BM.
Drake, wag ka mag-pick.
Hello, si...
Yo, can you stand here, please, para safe kayo? Can you stand here?
2 BS. Nandito.
Mav, I'm holding their bomb squad on the southwest.
Stop, meron na. Pushing out. Pati side.
Dep tanks, pag pumasok tayo, hold yung bomb squad, ah. Dep tanks, please, hold the bomb squad.
Engaging BS, brim.
Come north.
Oh, fuck!
Fail.
Oh, shit.
Alright, nice.
Uy, nice. Utikan na mapatay niya.
Yo, stop,
South,
stop,
south, south.
3, 2, 1, south. Give me damage here. Come back. Defense, boys, defense. Pop
Cleanse you.
your pots. Heal your front. Good job. Nice one.
The fuck?
Cooldowns here.
Yo, not there. Come out. Pull out.
Occult ready.
Ready.
Uy. Wow.
Hilalay.
Southwest looting.
Over the wall na yung nila.
Okay.
Kita nyo yung GA na dumaan? Nag-loot
Yo,
lang sa may
can you stay here? May GA na sila part. Can you stay here? Wait, no. Be careful, ah.
Yoko North, HOJ.
Yo, ready, southwest.
Southwest.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Center,
Wrong
boys.
part.
Blow this up. Come back. Ready, pots. Ready. You have clericals now? Do you have clericals now?
Aran,
Come,
aran.
come north. Actually, come north, guys. Yummy, yummy. Bomb squad on the west. Bomb squad on the west. Nice.
Eat the flower, Yanni.
Southeast, come southeast, boys. Come southeast. Boys, listen. Come in. Hug the wall here. Hug the wall here. Be careful, ah. Ready your pots. Come east. Come southeast here. Come southeast here. Ready, southwest shallow. Hold. Wait.
Nag-engage.
Yo, southwest.
Nag-engage.
Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Inside us now. Nice. Okay,
One
come
kill,
back.
one
come
kill.
back. One kill. Cool downs on me now.
Love na yung TFD.
Tell me cooldowns. Ready, we're gonna engage southwest, okay?
10 seconds.
10.
10 seconds.
Yeah. Ready, yo, spread. Be careful.
Kailangan ko ng food.
May night helmet pa ba tayo? Yo, ready, they're gonna try and push, okay?
Ready.
Wait. Argo. Ready, Argo.
Yeah. I'm ready.
Ang dami dito sa may southwest
Yeah,
ka
I
pa
know,
sa
I know.
may taas.
I know. We can't. Come back. Holy flop.
Engaging.
Wait. Come southeast. Come in. Left hands look northwest, okay? Left hands look northwest.
The riggers on the north now.
Yeah. Come
Boss.
south. Just come. Come south here. Wait. Stay there. Stay downstairs. Ready on the stairs. Shallow. Yeah.
Northwest.
Ay,
Pushing in.
GG na. Come northwest.
Long
Out.
fight.
Come northeast here. Asan yung CCTV? Come northwest nga. Padagdag kills ba?
Ay, gago, Minerva pala, sorry.
Oh, fuck.
Come back east.
Desperado sa kill, ah.
Gago, sarap maglaro sa PC, hindi na sa laptop.
Mount up.
Yung CCTV yun nasa north side. Kayo, okay, nilan yan.
Come to me. Come southeast.
Oh, south is okay.
Come to Rabin Castle.
May kumukuha ng Ravine Castle kanina.
Mm-mm. Guys, come southeast. We're going back.
Si Cutthroat.
Parang nang-migrate na nga yung cutthroat nito sa MLB.
T3 Blob at least.
2 minutes also.
Mm.
Parang maling decision.
Aye, and Draco, pabalik kami sa Rabin.
My God. That's why I didn't regear because I predicted the fight will be finished by then.
Jesus!
Pero babalik ka. Tara dito.
Magka-crafting na ako.
Nauna na.
Oo,
Huwag sa crafting.
Hindi, okay lang.
Ah,
Grabe, sarap ng kills dun. Who has kills?
sana all.
Grabe si Draken. Butigan niya mapatay yung Rick BS nila.
Naka-8-3 yan eh.
Oh, fuck. Use na. Wee.
Gago, sarap ng damnation dun. Chilling lang.
Ano na lang yung blight? Gilid lang.
I have bod pala Urias, by the way.
Where are they going?
There's one
Ginagang.
S daw. Come back. Ginagang sila.
Okay.
Nila.
Raku.
Gago, OC, 30 seconds.
Double OC ka.
Umaldo at si Rako sa kill ah.
Bakit?
Yes.
Wala di pa makita.
What the fuck? Rapo killed someone with 8-4 Achun.
Holy
fuck?
fuck.
This guy.
No pud. Fade out.
Thanks. Dapat nag-DPS lang ako.
Tama,
Basag.
hindi kayo, hoy,
Basag.
hindi kayo nag-extend.
Oy! Basag!
Ay, work.
Nabasagan.
Tapos may fight dito na.
Yung basag. Sabog lahat ng ano nila eh.
Hindi pa lumalabas sa akin.
May laban pa ba? O di mas after?
May laban daw eh.
Uy.
Uy, gago, world boss na to.
Wrong hole, boys.
Ay, gumagana ng ABS. Puro ano, internal.
Sakit eh.
Fuck. How do you even... Malusot ka dun?
Sino?
Ikaw.
Ay, ako.
Hindi ako makalusot ang puta.
Ay, tong, ano?
Scorpion, be careful. Get gang with Scorpion again. No Scorpion. Oh, masakit yan, boy! Hindi. Sino ba hindi makawala dyan na nakaraan? Nagank ng ano, Scorpion.
Team now.
Ginagank daw siya
History na
eh.
yan.
Scorpion.
Si Mav may history na dyan.
Siya makaalis eh. Ay, beta na alis siya, atakin uli eh.
Guys, bank on ko, wallet tab.
Messed out na. Patro.
Kolot, okay. Copy.
Kuha muna ako ng food.
Why Orion died twice? They're here, they're waiting. Let's go.
I'm end up die because you pick engage. Yes.
Ah,
Gago.
what?
Ang pick engage ka daw.
You pick engage.
Ay, 101 died. Look at this 101. Oh my god, this 7-3.
What?
Nigga.
Pick
Ito
engage
ako sa
and
mga
what?
headbutt engages ni Yurius.
We're strong because we're strong.
Hindi ko na-expect. Ina.
3 OC.
Nagyano ka pa rin ba sa CR, gagi?
Ayun,
I kill 7. Hey, Urios. I kill 7 people, Urios.
Really?
Yes. Next time I go DPS. No more death tank.
Guys, you can OC break. You can OC break. I'm gonna OC break.
Orion's go deep tank, Orios.
Orion, good damn tongue.
Yeah, good deep tank.
Nigga. Really?
No problem, no spec. I'm no spec, you too. No problem.
Guys, your pots, your pots. Your gigantifies. Enemy have
But we have
60.
fight after this.
We have a fight right now, little.
Starting na ba?
You can reset OC. Enemy is in the
Castle.
castle on
Temen.
Are we sieging?
Temen.
Yeah, we're sieging.
Hindi mo na ako.
Pag-ano na lang ganun ako, double OC na ako.
Sige. Galing ni Yami dun eh, oh. Puta na. Hindi makaporma yung mga cheater eh. Ganun talaga, di ba Yami? Basta bangin.
Sorry, abangan lang ako.
Bangin.
Abangers lang ako.
Marius, pwede ba mag-apply ng banger?
Ha? Bangin
7
yan ba?
rolls.
Pwede naman.
Hindi,
Ay,
7
okay,
rolls
yun.
yun.
Role player, ina-apply mo niyan, hindi ba?
Ano? 700 yun.
Okay.
7 rolls.
700 na roleplay. Sad boys.
Tapos, ang layo ng mga roll ko. No?
Guys, brawlers tong mga to, so...
Cutthroat?
Guys, here come.
Where are you guys?
Outside.
Okay.
Cutthroat ba yan?
Mm-mm.
Di ba bomber yan?
Oo.
Mga
Di ba
clapper, di ba?
yung bato dati?
Ano yan?
Ay, gago, may BS part.
Oo,
Ano
mga
yan?
clapper yan.
Ano yan ng ano? MC?
Longbow BS. Ano?
Baka
Ito na.
dito yung...
Sino yung mas malakas na longbow? Si Draken? Gago, inusin niya lahat-lahat, pero hindi siya nag-ano. Hindi inusin yung Royal Sandals. Mas inusin niya pa yung longbow.
Hindi, kanina iba yung gamit niya eh.
Gulat ako kay Draken eh.
8-3.
Nag-sound na siya eh.
Nag-OC.
Sumulpot niya eh.
Usap lu, Riosi, anjing.
Can you ping Urios?
Ano yun?
Wala tang party to.
Rush here.
Nice.
Guys, dismount here.
Lagyan mo nga ako ng heart, ano, Orius? Para pupunta sila sa akin.
Teka lang, si Argo muna.
Sige, sige.
Ako nga Riosi, anjing.
Si Jet din nag-i-trick.
Si Jet.
Ready, Northwest. Ready, Northwest. Uy, Ajax. Yo, my tanks, what are you doing on the front?
May kalain.
Ilan itong mga to? Kalmahan nyo.
Megalodon.
Just make a line, boys. Just make a line.
Food check and OC. Yeah, food check and OC.
May mga
Ready with the
primals.
light wall or Northwest, okay? Be careful. You see the tower?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait,
North.
no. Yeah. Northwest
Yeah,
on the light roller in 5. Wait. Oh, you shit. Come back.
Hindi ako winning.
Oh, fuck.
Come back. Gago ka.
I told you,
Ganda na.
bombers yan.
Yo,
Sino yun?
you have Gigantify.
Eh,
Guys, don't stay in the center, please. Come south. Don't stay on the center. Come south. Ready? They went second gate. Ready, Wait, no.
may wailing sila dito.
Yo, come back. Def tanks, come back. Please. Just let them do their job. We're playing as bomb. Be careful, my guys.
Fanatic die?
No.
Oh, yung tita ko namatay.
Ready, come back south. Ready, pop your pots. Northwest shallow, on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Come back. Hug southeast all. Tell me cooldowns.
5, 4.
7 seconds. 6. 10 seconds.
Okay. Little po, can you give me defensive slayer?
On engage?
Yeah, wait.
Ready.
Yo, Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Give me damage, more damage. Yo, come back, please, come back. Hug the southeast wall again. Tell me cooldowns. L-Jax, umalis ka dyan, L-Jax. Come south.
10 seconds.
Here's on L-Jax, please. Yo, walk here, on the stairs here. Ready, northwest, over the wall, okay? Straight over the wall. Heal up.
Oh,
Heal up. Yo, northwest over the wall. Wait. Stay on the choke east. They're mounting up.
They're leaving.
Yeah. Yo, ready. Upstairs, northeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Fuck.
Ano, nabutas yung ano mo. Dismounted pero.
Occult pa yan.
Bilis tumakbo.
May butas yung Julius.
Wala na, tumakbo na.
Yo, kill this guys, kill this guys, kill this guys.
Pinaiwan niyo, ano, gas?
Nice.
Oh, poor guy.
Wala siyang lalabasan eh. Na. Ano no? Hindi ko alam.
Southwest on the Lord in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rapis.
Fit finat. Nauwi sa portal.
Kago, sarap mag-CK ng 60 FPS.
Umiyak sila sa ano eh, sa manok ni Gamje. Pumutok sila eh.
Ano namatay si Fnatic sa first engage?
So we're the ones gonna defend now, right?
No, we're done. Come south, mount up.
We go home na.
Hindi go home na. Oh.
That's 1 minute.
Sarap ng kills natin dun.
Sana all.
Good Julius.
All.
Yeah, we can.
Yan.
Sana all my kills.
Don't break OC, ah.
Magdi-DPS na nga ako. Ayaw ko na mag-adjust.
Bro, we're done, right?
Oy, don't kill. Oy, boys, do not kill that semen.
Uy, ay, no.
Lock
Oh, fuck.
ba yun?
What's up?
Come. Zone, come north, mount up.
What happened to him? What the fuck? He got bugged?
No?
No,
No, no.
someone bled
God
him.
just protect
Ah,
him.
Lemming.
Hey, Azep, which account are you using for CBC, bro?
What? Hey, I'm no spec.
Why did we accept someone to the guild that has no spec?
Oh my god.
Bro, no problem, man. I'm killed,
I'm
bro.
joking, bang.
Bro, Rip is 30.
Zone in.
Outlone.
OC break.
What the fuck? Asip